Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. I'm Muhammad Ariff bin Haidar. 261044 will present about auditing database. Talk about database, we have to truly understand what's the components of auditing that involve in database environment. So here I list 5 components that should be involved in auditing environment for database. First one is people. Peoples are including the staff, managers, security administrators, and auditors. Second is the objective. The objective that meet organization policies to maintain document accuracies or to meet the system goals. The third component is the audit entities. The audit entities are referring to employees, document, process, system, and activities. The fourth component is the procedures. The procedures refer to step-by-step process that implement by the auditors, the instruction, regulation, and laws. And the last one is the database itself. The database referring to the database activities, data change, data accuracy, data files, and operating system. We have understand about the environment. Now we have to understand its objective. The auditing process is objective is to comply to validate either the system is complies to the policies, not validates either the systems are contributing to the performance of the management systems. It's differ from what is called performance monitoring. Performance monitoring is more to observe if there is a degradation of performance at various operations times, while auditing, I'm emphasize, is a validates compliance towards policy. To talk about the audit procedures. Audit procedures involve 5 crucial steps. The first one is planning, analysis, design, development, testing, and implementation. The second one is the production. The third one is understand the objective. The fourth one is a review, verify, and validate. The fifth one is a report and document. Still about the first step. The first step is all about the system development lifecycle, where it's a structured process of development of a systems. We will use a QA testing, which is designed to identify bug in the code, and the second one is to ensure that the system will fulfill the requirement of the functional specification. The next step is about the understanding of the auditors. The auditors should understand the objective of the audit and also plan the procedure of audit that need in this to achieve those objectives. Next step is to review, verify, and validate either this activity is based on the objective that we have set earlier. Any divergence should be reported accordingly. Actually, in this step, we are doing an observation on those what we are auditing. And the last step is about reporting and documents. Once we have finished with our auditing process, we should document the results. And at the end of the day, we should recommend the management if there is any change or improvement that need by the organization. As the conclusion for the audit procedures, there's a simple importance for these procedures. First, it is being as the guideline to make sure that the audit process is carried out sequentially. Second, to ensure that the system is working and complies with the policies, standards, regulation, or laws set forth by the organization. And the last one, to ensure that step-by-step instructions are documented ahead of time. That's all from me. Don't forget to click the like button. Thank you and goodbye.